those who are on the ground and in the battlefields, and those who are risking their lives for our country and our democracy. I have your backs. To those who oppose and think that all these are efforts that are out of order, I hold myself, me and me alone, should be responsible. Hindi ako may-ari ng pera ng Pilipinas at tao. Ginagawa ko lang talaga ang paraan para maligayahan ang lahat. Para kayo. Para sa tao. Kung nakinig ko sa speech, hindi ako presidente para sa mga mayaman.